Hi, and welcome to this short video. I am Charlotte Coates-Easter. I am your banking instructor, and this video will help tackle the issue of showing you how to download Microsoft Office Suite to your personal computer for free. Now, why? Because all of my online students will need to use Microsoft Office. You will be writing papers in Microsoft Word, doing a number of spreadsheets, so we're going to dive in really quick. It's pretty painless, and it's absolutely free to you as a student for ATU. So we're going to start with, I'm going to show you the quickest route to get to your email. We're going to type in mail, mail.atu.edu, hit enter, and it's going to take you directly into your box. You may have to sign in. I'm going to go ahead and close that because for certain confidentiality purposes, I cannot show you my actual inbox. I can show you my clutter box here. It's full of just some random things. So here I am in my mailbox in Outlook. I have signed in using my ATU information, correct? So once I am in my inbox, I can go up here to the top left corner where we see this App Launcher menu. I'm going to click here on these dots. Now it's going to open up this area right here. Now I can go ahead and I can click on one of these apps here and I can use the online version. However, when you are completing assignments for a number of your banking and business classes, if you choose to do that, you're going to run into issues and you're going to lose points on your assignment. Not all capabilities and commands are available on the online versions that you have to access in the downloaded versions. So let's download the suite. We're going to click More Apps. Now this may prompt you through something that asks, like, oh, do you want to take a look around? Do you want to follow our guided tour with our AI co-pilot? Please do so. Please get to know this side of your Outlook. Many of you, especially my banking students, will be going into the banking industry where Outlook is actually used in almost every bank I've ever worked at, and every bank that I deal with. So get to know Outlook. Now this is easy peasy. I'm going to go up here to the Install Apps at the top right corner, right under my URL area. Now I've already got all of these installed, so this is just going to be theoretical. You're going to download, you're going to click this download icon right here. I'm just going to open this up so you can see. Now this right here, Microsoft 360 Apps, this is what I want you to download. So you can go ahead and click that. It's going to take you through a couple of easy self-explanatory prompts where it will ask you, do we have permission to change your computer? Yes, you have to allow them to make changes. That's downloading an application. So go ahead and go through those prompts. It will ask you to go ahead and install the application, and within minutes you will be able to actually open those apps by coming down here to your search bar, type in Word, type in Excel. I'll show you here. And you'll see that it pops up now under your applications. You can just click that, open it right up. All right, so this was our quick tutorial. Thank you all for being here today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and please contact me if you have any issues or need help or need clarification.